Hey there, fellas. Okay, so my current location is the Kuzbass Motorsport Park. Turns out we have a bit of free time, and there are a few things we can do in the way of having some fun. It's a free-for-all around here. They said we can do whatever we want, and we took them up on that, drove around for a bit, and after parking 2 cars next to each other, we got to thinking, we are doing tandem drifting after all. You stay close, drive in parallel, and you're good. You've made a spectacular run. Anyway, why don't we bomb around in 2 cars simultaneously? So basically, we take 2 cars, place them at roughly this sort of distance. It's a very interesting thought, but we've yet to see how this actually works. Anyway, so we're looking to weld these 2 cars together. Yeah, we weld them and go for a spin on both cars at once. We'll see how well we can synchronize our steering and throttle inputs. We need to find some way to do this. I guess we'll open the windows and yell at each other, I don't know. In any case, I'm guessing this is going to be a pretty epic thing to look at. Right, let's go ahead and weld these 2 cars together and go have some fun. Let's do this. Welding 2 Ladas together for some super tight tandem drifting. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Right, fellas, check out what we've got here. It's all looking very good. The horn is too weak for that to work, dude. Anyway, we've welded these 2 together, using a few metal spacers between the pillars and so on, and now we go for a drive. Well, at least we'll try. I mean, we still don't know if this is gonna fly. I think your car has a bad starter motor, right? Oh, great. Meanwhile, this thing over here is basically one-wheel drive. We'll try to pick up some speed to push-start that one. This one does have a welded diff, which does make things a bit easier. But this one has the better tires, so I don't even know. Which one is going to win? Whatever, let's do this. Already in 3rd gear. We're okay, it's all good. Some tandem drifting, yo! There we go. The tandemest drifting the world has ever seen. Oh yeah, man, for real. Yeah, let's flip. Punch it. What does it look like I'm doing? Hit the brakes. Oh, crap. Slow down, man. I am actually riding the brakes over here. Oh, mean. $360. Doing a 360. Not bad. Yeah, we good. You know what, fellas? This is going quite well, actually. We're starting to get the hang of when you need to apply throttle or hit the brakes to get the car sideways and sustain an even drift. Nobody's pulling away or falling back. There's no contact happening, despite us running super close. How many points would you give us for that last initiation? 102? 102 points! Let's turn that up to 110! Alright, let's do this.
We hella hot at the moment. We coming for all opponents and feel incredible, don't it? It really ain't a thing. Who get them crazy going orangutan? Look at them copying me, trying to get top of the boss with a lot of mediocrity. Stalking the properties, want to get off in my monopoly. Tell me who is the one they call Socrates? It's been a wreck, been a death. When the head-on collision was in effect from a tech, the other side is a curse. They have a lot of regrets. My creation is shaking the planet Earth. Everybody better. Any opposition. So don't you make a mistake with the Yates, cause it's a escape. You better work.
That's a wheel, I think. Dude, we need to stop. Stop. What's up? Slow down. We lost a wheel? Oh my god, we're missing a fucking wheel. I've seen a lot in my lifetime, but this? I felt like something was off. The engine was so eager to rev. Right, fellas, we got a bit carried away and we developed our skill level to the point where we lost a wheel. Can you believe it? We initiated drift at a pretty high speed. Everything was going so well. The speedo was reading almost 90 kilometers an hour. And at that point, we lost a wheel. Still, though, we made the turn. How many points was that, Ivan? In my opinion, drifting without that wheel is actually safer. Really safer? Driving without wheels isn't the worst option, you know? I mean, we initiated a drift and made it all the way around that curve. If they didn't start honking at us, we would have kept going. Yeah, we would have just kept on hammering. I see the wheel. So far, we're looking at a 99.9% success rate. But I say we carry on. What's that? I don't know, it came flying from underneath the seat. Right, fellas, I think we've had our fill. I'd of course like to extend a big thanks to Kuzbass Motorsport Park's director. He'd be like, there's no ice anyway, so you guys go ahead and have a blast. As for our tandem drift antics, Well, someone was even keeping score. I don't know, were those qualification runs? Or were we actually competing? Oh, who even knows? What matters is we scored over 100 points, but you already know that. Now, if I'm being completely honest, this is actually doable. If you get a bit of practice in, you won't even need to talk back and forth to coordinate throttle and brake input, or which way to turn, or steer on ice, then on snow. You've got inconsistent traction, plus the cars are different. One has a welded diff, the other doesn't, but that one has the better tires. Neither one of them has decent brakes. Long story short, that was fun as hell. If you've got 2 Ladas to spare, weld them together. But you're gonna have to find some ice. And you'll need some space. Preferably at some kind of racetrack. You shouldn't do this on the road. Stick to specially designated areas. And have your fun. I mean, this really is a hoot. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for you. Thanks for tuning in. Watch us, subscribe, send in those comments and suggestions. Give us a big thumbs up. Alright, catch you later. In the meantime, we're gonna go have a bit more fun.